Welcome back to The Explainer. Today, we're looking at a huge shift for a vehicle you definitely already know. The 2027 Toyota CHR is here, and it's not just a quick refresh, guys. It's a full-on electric evolution. We're going to see exactly how Toyota has perfectly blended high design with high tech to create an EV that's built for a highly connected life. Okay, let's dive into this virtual test drive roadmap. We've got 5 key areas to cover today: the all-electric evolution, charging made simple, bold exterior design, the connected tech cockpit, and finally, safety and ownership. We're setting you up with a really comprehensive look at this vehicle, right from the powertrain down to the warranties. Section 1, the all-electric evolution. Let's go ahead and pop the virtual hood to explore the beating heart of this electric vehicle. 338. That is the massive total system horsepower you're getting here, all delivered by a dual-motor all-wheel drive setup. What does that mean for you? Well, it translates to instant, pull you back in your seat electric torque from all 4 wheels the exact second your foot hits the pedal. And because of that instant pull, we're talking about a staggering 0 to 60 miles per hour time of just 4.9 seconds. Yeah, 4.9. Merging onto a busy highway or getting around a slow-moving truck is literally effortless. This absolutely proves it's not just a sensible, eco-friendly vehicle, it is a true performer. But, all that power is completely useless without control, right? To keep all that horsepower firmly grounded, Toyota engineered this with McPherson front struts and a multi-link rear suspension. Basically, it allows the CHR to keep a low, planted stance so you can corner with absolute precision. It stays completely glued to the pavement. Section 2, charging made simple. Let's move to and see how this builds, because I want to step out of the vehicle for a second to talk about just how incredibly easy it is to keep this SUV completely topped up. When you're out on a road trip, charging friction is the absolute worst. So, they just eliminated it. First off, you're getting a standard NACS port, no clunky adapters needed. That means you get immediate access to a massive DC fast charger network. Then, you just use the plug-in charge feature via the Toyota app's Remote Connect trial. You literally plug it in, and the app seamlessly handles paying and starting the session. Now, what about charging in your own garage? They've made that totally effortless, too. The CHR includes a dual voltage cable right out of the box. It supports standard 120-volt household outlets as well as your faster 240-volt setups. So plugging in at home is genuinely just as easy as public charging. Now, what's really interesting about this slide is the battery preconditioning feature. Basically, it automatically optimizes the battery's core temperature for maximum efficiency. Whether you're stuck in a freezing winter storm or scorching summer heat, this smart tech ensures you're getting power delivered faster, completely regardless of the weather outside. It's super smart. Section 3, bold exterior design. Let's take a step back on our virtual test drive for a minute and just admire the clean, modern aesthetic they've pulled off here. Take a look at that front profile. Toyota calls it the angular hammerhead aesthetic. It's a really sharp, aggressive front end with this wide, low-profile nose, all beautifully framed by stunning LED lighting. Honestly, it's totally designed to turn heads and, well, probably get you some followers. It has such a commanding presence on the road. Now, you've got a couple of ways to style this aggressive look, and a side-by-side comparison really shows the difference. The standard SE grade comes with stealth blackout details on the badges, roof rails, and mirrors, plus 18-inch black alloys. But if you upgrade to the XSE grade, you get an available 2-tone exterior and massive 20-inch gunmetal multi-spoke wheels. Oh, and the XSE gets this incredible split roof spoiler. It isn't just eye candy, it's actually aero-tuned and cleanly integrated right into the power liftgate. Section 4, the connected tech cockpit. All right, let's go ahead and step inside the cabin where form beautifully meets function. The baseline premium feel here is just fantastic. The standard SE interior gives you premium synthetic soft-tex materials, an 8-way power driver seat, plus standard heated front seats and a heated steering wheel. But if you jump to the SSE, they upgrade that to a luxurious synthetic suede, add an 8-way power passenger seat, and offer available heated rear seats. And regardless of the trim you choose, dual-zone climate control comes standard either way. And this brilliantly illustrates how the cockpit keeps your entire digital life powered, synced, and customized. Your vital stats sit front and center on a 7-inch digital gauge cluster. You can instantly dial in the exact cabin mood with 64-color ambient lighting. And no more fighting over cables. You get dual Q-compatible wireless chargers standard, plus 4 fast-charging USB-C ports spread around the cabin just in case. But the real star of the show is this massive 14-inch Toyota Audio Multimedia touchscreen. This command center is snappy and incredibly intuitive. It features wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, making it totally seamless to drop Google Maps, YouTube Music, or your favorite podcasts directly onto the screen. Throw in the 3-month SiriusXM trial, an available Wi-Fi hotspot trial to keep everyone logged in, and that available 9-speaker JBL premium audio system with a trunk-mounted subwoofer. Yeah, it's basically the ultimate mobile hub. Section 5, Safety and Ownership. For the final section of our walkthrough, let's talk about how Toyota protects both you on the road and your investment over time. Safety isn't an afterthought here. The Toyota Safety Sense 3.0 suite is baked right into the operating system for maximum driver awareness. You've got the pre-collision system with pedestrian detection, lane departure alert with steering assist, and automatic high beams. And for the highway, you get full-speed range dynamic radar cruise control, lane tracing, and road sign assist. It's an incredibly proactive setup. On top of that robust standard suite, which already includes a blind spot monitor, safe exit alert, and parking assist with auto braking, the XSE offers some killer subscription add-ons. You can unlock a panoramic view monitor, lane change assist, and my absolute favorite, traffic jam assist. It's like magic. It practically turns those frustrating bumper-to-bumper highway crawls into completely stress-free experiences. So, the crucial point is that every CHR comes with incredible peace of mind thanks to these robust warranties. You get Toyota Care, covering normal factory-scheduled maintenance for 1 year or 10,000 miles, plus 3 years of 24-hour unlimited mileage roadside assistance. And for the really important stuff, the electric drive components, you are covered for 8 years or 100,000 miles. From the instant buzz of electrified performance to the totally frictionless charging and that fully connected cockpit, the 2027 CHR is built for a life that's always on. So as automakers like Toyota rapidly evolve their lineups, it leaves us with one provocative question. Are you ready to finally take charge? Head on over to toyota.com to build your own perfectly sized SUV and make the switch. Thanks so much for joining me on this explainer, and I'll catch you on the next one.